Hello guys, first of all I'm gonna say happy Friday. I'm gonna show you how to cook this noodle. Guys, this is seafood noodle, okay? It's just a Korean noodle. It's so good. I love this noodle. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cook. Very simple and easy when you come home late night like me. I got home about 10:30, almost 11 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go ahead just cook this noodle. Very easy to cook. First I'm gonna go ahead and start up. Okay, and the water. This water about this much because I love soup. So go ahead, put the water in here. I'm gonna show you how to cook. Very simple, easy, quick noodle soup to eat tonight. I'm gonna show you. They have the salt. This is the salt of the noodle. It's very good, but not enough seasoning because I put a lot of water in there. And this is seaweed. It's not a lot enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get more taste than what you got. Okay, this is chicken broth powder. Okay, get the chicken broth powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put this 1 spoon in here because I love to put more water. I wanna eat the soup. That's why I have to put chicken broth powder in here. Okay, the seaweed. The seaweed, just a little bit only. See, not a lot in here. I need more. I need more seaweed. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, not enough seaweed. What I do, I buy extra seaweed, whole bag like this. You see that? The seaweed, when you put in the water, they come out fresh just like that. I buy a whole bag, 100% seaweed. They're dry, okay? So I buy this whole bag about $8-9. That you can eat for a long time, guys. And just go buy this brand if you want to take it. The brand right here. They have so many kind of brands, so I get this brand. Just a cartoon picture, whatever is the name. I don't know how to read Korean, so that's a seaweed right there, okay? And if you see it stuff, they have so many kind, so you can pick the good one. If you see something fresh, picture look like that, get it. Now I'm gonna share with you how take out the seaweed. The seaweed is very long. Okay, what I do, I pick up some the ham only. Just pull up like that, and to cut about break up two. To cut very long. Okay, guys, go ahead. Put the seaweed in here. That's why I say I need more seaweed. That's why I add on the seaweed right there. They're gonna come out stay fresh because of I drop in the hot water. I love seaweed salad. I love seaweed in the soup. Any kind of seaweed, I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put salt in here. That's the reason why I show you the salt not enough. I put the chicken broth powder so that make come out more taste. Okay, so everything in right now. Very simple and easy, quick noodle soup at night. Okay, this noodle, I don't eat that much noodle. I love a lot more vegetable, and this is gonna go ahead and drop in the pot right now. Okay, cook about 2 minutes. 2 minutes only. Don't cook too long because when you cook noodles too long, they kind of saggy, and you don't want it like nice and tight taste. Just like this is like a Ramen noodle. Okay, very good. That's everything in right now. So easy, guys. I'll show you. I buy whole pack like that, right? They have whole bag in here. They got whole bag. Only $4.99. Before $3.99, I'm gonna price up. So $4.99. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bag. It's just like a $1.20 a bag, 20 cents or 25 cents a bag. Okay, $1.25. That's not that expensive because this noodle is so good. Okay, so $4.99. All right. There, the seaweed come back alive just like that. Noodle boil 1 more minute. I be stopped because I don't want my noodle cook too long. Okay, so just right there. 2 minutes been by. I'm stopped cooking. Turn off the stove. That's it. It's done right now. Okay, guys, look at my vegetable I want to eat. This is crazy. I'm crazy. I love vegetable. I'm gonna put this Spanish right here. Go ahead, drop all. Put in here. Okay, put the vegetable in there. You don't want to cook overcook vegetable either because all the vitamin in here you wanna keep it nice and vitamin and tough time like this. You wanna eat a lot of vegetable. You can because it's a coronavirus. You wanna eat a lot of vegetable. Just put some more you want. If you don't like vegetable, you don't have to. I love vegetable because this make my day. When I eat vegetable, my body happy. So I'm gonna go ahead put in here, okay? And more, guys. This is salad right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the salad in here. More. You don't want to cook too overcooked salad, okay? So whatever you have, vegetable you have at home, so whatever you want, just put it on. So here comes the soup right here. Okay, put in there. Now here you have it, a lot of vegetable and eat healthy. No meat. This is seafood. Seafood just a flavor, okay? But not even the real seafood in here either. So I'm gonna go ahead. There you go. Just like that, and you eat healthy food when you come home late. It's okay to eat, but because this is not gonna get you fat, or you give you vitamin and calcium, everything. The vegetable all talk for you. Eat more vegetable. When you have problem time like we have right now, coronavirus, you eat vegetable, everything should be healthy. And not just only that, topping cilantro, guys. This cilantro. I love vegetable. Let's go ahead, eat it. And I got parsley. The parsley right here, I love parsley too. Just go ahead, put in there, eat all the vegetable you can, and make your body feeling good. Parsley right there. Make your body feel good and happy. Tomorrow wake up and you feel good also. Just put in there all the vegetable in here. Nice, right? This guy. Eat that. Look at this. Oh my God. Nothing can get better than this. Come home, $1 per pack, and make the soup just like that. Look at this. Crazy, right? Crazy good, right? Look at that. All the vegetables. All about vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, sit down and eat, guys. This is crazy delicious. Okay, try it. Go get. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You have to go to Korean market, okay, to buy this kind of noodle. You go Korean market, they have everything for you. Just like that. Get the brand name and go get it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go sit down and eat. Talk to you later. Bye bye.